Hello friends, welcome to Infinity for All. Today we will begin with the first theorem in the second unit, that is line integrals. In the last video or the previous one, we had seen the statement or the necessary conditions for equivalently parameterized curves. Okay, so let us see a theorem based on it. Theorem says two equivalent parameterized curves have same image set, but the converse is not true. Now the proof is about we have to prove that the converse is not true, whereas the statement, that is two equivalent parameterized curves have same image set, is the given part. So let us see what the question is like. Question says two equivalent parameterized curves have same image set. Show that the converse is not true by considering the curves alpha t is equal to cos t sin t, where t lies between 0 and 2 pi, and beta t is equal to sin t cos t, where t lies between 0 to 2 pi. So these are the conditions for alpha t and beta t. Let us see. Okay, so firstly, let us see what is the basic necessary condition for two curves or two parameterized curves to be equivalent. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen that alpha is a function from AB to U and beta is a function from CD to U, and the three conditions are h is differentiable, h dash non-zero on CD, range of h is equal to AB and beta is equal to अल्फ़ा कंपोजिट एच. सो अभी पहले क्या दिया है कि टू इक्विवेलेंट पैरामीटराइज्ड कर्व्स have the same image set. This is the given part of the question, and we have to prove that converse is not true. So let us write. Firstly, we will have to write the definition or the necessary conditions for parameterized curves to be equivalent. Then we will write that given part, that is two equivalent parameterized curves have the same image set, but converse of this statement is not true. What is the converse? That is, if अभी टू इक्विवेलेंट पैरामीटराइज्ड कर्व्स का इमेज सेट सेम है, बट अगर इमेज सेट सेम है तो दो पैरामीटराइज्ड कर्व्स इक्विवेलेंट होंगे, ये नेसेसरी नहीं है. सो लेट अस राइट इट. इफ टू पैरामीटराइज्ड कर्व्स हैव सेम image set, then they may not be equivalent. They may not be equivalent. Now, to prove this, what are the three basic conditions for curves to be, or parameterized curves to be equivalent? It is that h should be differentiable, h dash should be non-zero on interval CD, and the range of h should be equal to interval AB, and beta should be alpha composite h. तो पहले for that we will have to define a function h from certain interval to certain interval, that is from interval CD to AB. तो अभी CD is the interval for beta, or CD is the domain for beta curve. So here, according to the question that was given, beta t was sin t cos t, where t lies between 0 to 2 pi. So we have taken in place of CD 0 comma 2 pi. Similarly, it was for alpha also. The domain was 0 to 2 pi. So h will be a function from 0 to 2 pi to 0 to 2 pi. ht will be defined as t. So first condition was that h should be differentiable. Now h of t is equal to t, so it is differentiable because derivative of t is h dash of t is equal to 1. This implies that h is differentiable. तो पहला condition is satisfied. अभी second condition is what? H dash of t should be non-zero. So here h dash of t is equal to 1, which is non-zero. So what does this define? It defines that h is non-zero on or for all t belonging to 0, 2 pi. Now here 0, 2 pi is the value of the interval CD. So for beta the domain is CD, and particularly for this question it is 0 to 2 pi. That is why h is non-zero for all t belonging to 0, 2 pi. Okay, therefore h dash of t is equal to 1, which is non-zero for all t belonging to 0, 2 pi. The second condition is also satisfied. Now third condition is what? It says that range of h should be the interval AB. So first let us find the range of h for this function h. Range of h is equal to h of t, where t belongs to the interval 0, 2 pi. Okay, so now this 2 pi should give us the value of interval AB, or this interval 0, 2 pi should give us the value of interval AB. Okay, so let us write h of t का value क्या है? t. So t, where t belongs to 0, 2 pi. Okay, now let us substitute the value of the intervals in the place of t. So we will get a set where there are two values, 0 and 2 pi. So this can be written as an interval, that is closed interval 0, 2 pi. So that is the interval AB itself. So we will write it as interval AB. So third condition, that is range of h is equal to 0, 2 pi. That is the value of interval AB here, or the domain of the parameterized curve alpha. Abhi, the next part of the third condition is that beta should be alpha composite h. So pehle we will write down what is given to us, that is beta of t is equal to what was given, sin t comma cos t. Okay, and what was the value of alpha t? Let us write it down so that it is simple for us to solve. So alpha of t was cos t comma sin t. Okay, now what is the right hand side? That is alpha composite h of t. We have to find the value of this term first. So we will write alpha composite h of t. How can we rewrite this? Alpha bracket h bracket t second bracket complete. So abhi h of t ka value is what? We have considered h of t is equal to t. So alpha of t. But what is alpha of t that is given in the question? That is cos t comma sin t. But this value and beta t ka value is not the same. Therefore beta t, or we will write beta is equal to alpha composite h of t should be, first we will write the condition that should be true for the curves to be equivalent. So beta is equal to alpha composite h of t should be satisfied. Matlab these conditions should be satisfied for the parameterized curves to be equivalent. Parameterized or parameterizations to be equivalent. But here it is not equal, or it is not satisfied. That is, we will write that beta of t ka value is sin t comma cos t, which is not equal to alpha composite h of t, which is equal to cos t comma sin t. Okay, beta of t is equal to sin t comma cos t, not equal to alpha composite h of t is equal to cos t comma sin t. Now let us name that equation as star so that we can write from star. So what does this mean? It means that two parameterizations are not equivalent, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टू कंडीशंस आर satisfied, थर्ड आधा is satisfied, but the last condition, that is beta is equal to alpha composite h, is not satisfied. Therefore two parameterizations are not equivalent. So if image set is same, it is not necessary that curve should be equivalent. Thank you for watching today's video. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Your feedback is valuable to us. Thank you.